so much for having me here. I'm very excited to be here. There's some really cool work going on. So I guess I'm going to put a little bit of a face to what you've heard all this time, right? So I'm going to tell you a little bit about my undergraduate experience, my graduate experience, and my experience being a frontline supervisor. I applied for the Title 40 program. First of all, I'm from Maryland. Sorry about that. I applied for the 40 program in 2002, which was the last year of my undergraduate studies. I had never been on an interview before, except maybe for restaurant jobs. And so it was my first experience with an interview. Besides my 3 years at UMBC, I did not have any social work experience. But I was eager to learn and excited to start my career. A group of us students were placed in the Department of Social Services in Baltimore City. I was assigned 3 cases with children who were in foster care. And we were under the supervision of a field instructor who was seasoned in child welfare. As many of you know, there's no idle time in child welfare. The work and learning began right away. It was time to hit the ground running and learn, as you go. We were under very close supervision. So the working hours in child welfare are very rarely conventional hours. Crisis usually happen after 5. So I was in a unit with 5 other 4E interns, and we were given, everybody had about 3 cases. So we were also given supervision by the school. So monthly supervision sessions with all of the interns. We would sit with our field liaisons and talk about our field experience, any challenges we may face, any issues we may have. And we started to build relationships with each other as well as in the community. I quickly learned that the front lines of child welfare was an extremely rough job. It was emotionally taxing, yet extremely rewarding. And I always felt supported by my school and my field instructor.